Hey guys, so in this video we are going to see the demonstration of our food ordering system in PHP MySQL. So let us start with it. So here we have our website with a basic slider over here and with a text on the slider. And so going to the next section, you have the today's special section over here. So you can control this thing from your admin dashboard. So here you can see this button says unavailable because we have an option called availability status. So if that product is unavailable for maybe few hours, so you can just turn that off. So it will be unavailable, so no users can order that. So this thing tells if it is a veg item or a non-veg item. So you can see this green and brownish color over here, and you can just increment the quantity to up to 10. We have set it over here. So you can just select how much or quantity you want, and you can add that to your cart. So for now, it's asking to log in to continue. So we will go to that. We'll just finish this home page first. So here you have about a section. So you can just give content about your brand, and then you have here the trending section. So here you have integrated a carousel, and all your trending products are over here. So this thing is also controllable from your admin dashboard. So you can just set whichever products to trending, and that thing will be visible over here to the user. And the same concept over here, you can just select your quantity and add that product to cart. So next we have the contact us form. So you can see you have the name, email, subject, phone, and the message. And then here you have a button, send message. And here you can see we have the footer, content about your company, and here you have your quick links. And here also there are few links and your contact information. So now let us go to the menu over here. And in this menu, you have the category over here. You can see menu categories. So you can add different categories over here. So a few we have added over here. So now when I go to breakfast category, so all my items for the breakfast is visible over here. So you can just check in the URL if you try to add some unwanted category over there and try. So all the validations are done over here. So if you just remove that thing also, requested menu not found. Go back to the menu, and here you have breakfast, and this thing is set to unavailable. And here let me say add to cart, login to continue. So we have seen the menu also over here, and then we have the about us section. So this page is all about your brand. So you can just fill in the content over here. So when you go to your cart, it will ask you to log in to continue. This is your login form. So when you click on this login, you will get another form over here. So you have two options. You can either use this or this. Login and show you. So it logged in successfully. Now let me go to my cart. Your cart is empty. So let us go to menu. And here let me select two quantity of 75 rupees. Add to cart, product added to cart. Now once again, if I just try to add that, say already added to cart. So you can just go to cart and you can view your ordered items now. So you can increment that quantity over here, and you will notice that the price is changing over here without the page reload. So we'll add few more items. So I'll go to cakes and we'll take this, and in my cart you can see it's over here, and 3 and the total price. So when you decrement one thing, you can see the price is changing over here. And when you remove this without page reload, you will notice that this product will be removed. It's been removed over here, and we will try to add the products from this section also. So product added. So go to the trending section, and here let me say add product added to cart. So here it is. So now let us go to the checkout page. So here you can see while registering whatever data you have given, that thing we have taken it over here, and this pin code, so it will take 6 digit over here, and phone number is going to take 10 digits. So I'll just remove one, and you will see please enter a valid phone number. So it's going to take 10 digits. Yes. And your address is also a mandatory field. So except this user message, everything is a mandatory field. So when you try to click on this, please fill all required details, and When you pay with Razorpay, you will get this error. Let me just fill this pin code. And now when you click on pay with Razorpay, that thing is gone and this thing is over here. When you try to pay with PayPal, again the same thing, all fields are mandatory. You will get that with the error message over here. So let me just do that quickly. Let me just say Bangalore, India. Yeah. And user message is optional, so you can just say get some water bottles. Yeah. And now when you say place order, it will directly place your order. And if you pay with Razorpay, you will get this amount over there and you have to pay it over here. So this is a live account, so I'm not going to pay over here. And pay with PayPal, again the same concept. This amount will be over here. You have to just log in and pay it with your account. So I will just do this place order via COD. So here you can see order placed successfully. And here it is, my tracking number, price, order placed at, and the status. So we'll just view that. And here is my delivery details, to what address and what name, what phone number, and here the custom message. The order details are here. You can see order status is in pending and payment status is also pending because it is a COD. So if it was an online payment, here it would show as paid, and here it will show if you have paid by Razorpay, it will show paid by Razorpay or paid by PayPal. However, and then this is your timestamp when you have created that order. So when you place the order, that date and time will be stored over here. So you can see it's 8:06 now over here and it is 8:05 a.m. it has been placed. And here you have your product details and your total price. So here you have a cancel order button. So once the order status is marked as complete, this button will not be visible over here. So when you click on cancel order, here is an alert, you are cancelling your order. And then if you try to cancel, it will say this field is required. So without cancel reason, you cannot cancel your order. So I'll just leave that now. We will do that once we have updated that status. I will just show you. So you can also visit your my order section over here, and here you have your my profile. So you can change your name and phone number over here, update details, updated successfully. And now let me just go to the admin section. So I'll open an incognito tab. Let me just copy the URL. Here we will log into the admin account. Here you can see we have logged into the admin dashboard, and here you have your basic statistics over here. So today's report, you see you have pending orders 1, completed 0 and cancelled 0 orders. Overall you have pending orders 2 and completed orders 0 and cancelled order is 0 overall in my orders table. And next we have the menu control panel over here. So the menu, so you have total categories 4, total items 11, hidden items 1, and then in the today special you have 6 items over there. So you go to the hidden items, you can see over here, you can also filter over here with hidden. So whatever is hidden, you will get it over here. So this plain dosa is not visible to the users. Let me just check that. So go to menu, breakfast, and here you can see butter plain dosa is not visible over here. So let us just make that to visible. Here it is. Uh, Visibility, yeah. Show and hide. So if it is green, then it is shown. If it is red, then it is hidden. So I'll just update that product. Updated. So now you can just refresh, and now you can see that thing is come over here. So today's special is off. So if you just turn this to yes, update, and then you will be seeing it over here in the today special over here. Just refresh, and here it is. And this thing over here you can see the availability status, right? So for the next 2 hours it is not available, so I'll just make it unavailable. So you can see over here green is available and red is not available. So when you refresh, now this thing will turn unavailable, so you cannot place order for that because temporarily it is not available. And here you have all the details. So you can select the category and change the name, product, and here you have veg or non-veg, what type. So you can just do that over here. So let's get back to the dashboard, and here you have your pending orders. So in this order section you have status, or here you can just select pending and the date, and you can filter and completed. So today we haven't completed any orders, so it's not going to show anything over here. And cancelled is also not available, so I'll just leave that. So pending, you can go on the 8th, right, which we had the old order. Yeah, or here it is. Let me just view, and you can see it over here, update order status. So we'll just make it to completed. So in case you are cancelling, you have to give the cancelled reason over here. So if it is cancelled by the user, it will be updated as cancelled automatically. So now you can just view all this thing over here, and once this order has been delivered, so you can just update that to completed. So basically this is a COD payment, right? So once the payment is received by the agent, only then this order is going to be completed. So we are going to mark it complete. The payment status will show as paid. So let me just mark this as completed and say order status updated successfully. And here you can see it is completed and the payment status is paid. So now when you go back and you can see over here in the pending of 8th, when I filter, it will show nothing. So you can just go, you have completed that order, right? So when you select the completed, you will get that order over here. So let us view that in the user side. So when you go to your my orders, so this order has been completed, view, and you can see that cancel button is not visible now. So now let us just cancel this order, cancel, cancel reason, not available now. Yeah, so let me say cancel, order cancelled, and here you can see cancelled and the cancel reason is specified over here. So when you go back, you can see it's over here, order cancelled. So in the admin dashboard, select today's date. So when you directly come to this place, right, when you click on this, by default today's date and the status pending will be selected. So you can see over here, so today's date pending is no order is available for that filter. So when I say cancelled, I will get that thing which I just cancelled, view. So here is a cancel reason and the payment mode. So if it is COD, though you don't have to refund. If it is online payment, so you have to manually refund that. And yes, we'll go back and let's go back to the dashboard. And here you have the menu, right, which you just saw. So total categories. So you can just add and edit those things. We'll see that. Let us finish the dashboard. So general statistics, you can add anything extra over here, whichever you require. So for now we have one, the total registered users. So we'll just go over there and check. So it's over here, registered users. So the role over here you have, and if you want to ban a user, like if the user is placing some fake orders or doing some fraud, so you can just ban that email ID. We'll just go back and I will ban this ID. We say ban, update details. So now you can see that user has been banned. So now let me just log in with that ID, log out and say login. Say login now. You can see your account has been banned, so you'll not be able to log in. And let's get back over here. So just make that to active. Update. And yeah, this thing is done. And then you have a revenue report. So the today's earnings is over here and total earnings is over here. So today's earning is nothing but the total payments received today and the payments yet to receive. So if it is an online payment, directly it will be over here. And if it is a COD payment, that thing will be over here. So you have to receive this much amount after completing that order. So including both, that thing will be over here. So you can see over here payments received 150 total earnings. So the one which we just completed at the first. So that order and the total earnings is 150 yet to receive. So if you have anything yet to receive, that thing will be added in this as well. We'll just add one order and check that. Refresh. And also one thing, so we had just placed the order, right? So your cart is going to be empty. Just say add to cart, checkout, and I'm going to say place order. Okay, refresh. So here you can see you have 0 rupees received for today. You have to receive 248, so that is yet to receive. So total earnings, today's total earning is 248, and this is overall earnings. So total you have received 150, you are yet to receive 248, so totally you have earned this much. So you go to your registered users. So we just went through this, and you have your category over here. So when you say all category, you have it over here. You can just filter or sort by the ID or name, and here you have add category. So you have the name, slug, description, and the image, trending, and visibility status control over here. And then you have the products over here. Say all products. So you have total of 11 products for now over here. And you can just check over here if it is in the trending section or in the today's special section. Visibility, everything is given over here itself. If you want to update that, so you can just click on this edit button and go through it. Say add product, you have to select your category and then the name, slug, and if it is a veg or non-veg, you have to just choose that type, and these are the other attributes you have to just select and fill it over there. So in this orders we just saw, so you have different filters over here: pending, completed, cancelled, along with the date. So just select on 8th, completed. So we had one order, right? Yes. And then in the revenue, so you have that today and all time. So today's revenue, we are yet to receive this much, total earning is this much, and for now we have not received any amount. So once that order is completed, that thing will come over here. And in the all time, you can see we have received 150, we are yet to receive 248, and 398 is total earnings. Let me just update that order. Today's, yes, say completed, say update, order updated. And now when you go to your revenue, so you can see total received so much, and today's total earning is 248, and payments yet to receive, it is 0. So we have received that amount. So you go to your all time, so you can see 398 is your total payments received, and yet to receive is now 0, and then total earnings is 398. So here you can see that thing is reflecting over here. So cancelled orders, completed orders, and pending orders. So today's we have one completed order and one cancelled order. So you can just view that detail over here. So cancelled order is over here and completed order is over here. Now let me just log out from here. So log out. And now if you try to access that admin URL over here, let me say admin. So you see login to access dashboard. So if you log in as a user and try to access that, so let us close this and we'll go to this tab where we have logged in as user. So let me just access that admin dashboard over here. You can see you are not authorized as admin. So all the authentication and middleware part is done. So that's it in this project, guys. So the link to purchase the source code is given in the description. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.